What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another video. Hopefully you're having a great day wherever you are in the universe. Back out here at nice, beautiful East LA. About to go ahead and check out this Nike outlet, see what's going on in here. It's been a few weeks since we've been here the last time. If you guys see something you like, make sure you say something in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get in here. You know, I might have to be a little low key because they be tripping sometime on me recording. But let's go ahead and see what's in there, you dig? Okay, and last time we here, we seen this heat, but I'm gonna pull it out again because they are fire. A lot of people agree with me and say these are the best colorway of this model. The Westbrook 0.2, 125 with the 30% off. They got this camo colorway, bro, the best one out. Let me know what you guys think about this. Is this the best colorway of this Westbrook shoe? And what is this next model gonna look like? Because I feel like they're getting better and better. This is the best one so far, the best model for the Westbrook so far. So I feel like they're gonna get better and better. Let me know if you guys agree. We got a little more heat. Okay, we've seen these before. These Element Reacts, okay. Thought that was a different color. We've also seen these burnt orange right here. The box is like destroyed. Let me see. Also seen these burnt orange ones before. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. Let me know which colorway you guys got of the series that came out. Worn, but still in really good shape. $159 with 30% off on these. This next shoe right here, right below it, I'm quite surprised that they're here. These are some Melos, bro. 140, what's that, 140 with 30% off? Definitely a different Melo, definitely a special edition Melo. Cop pass, fire, or trash. How many people actually went after this when they actually dropped it? Pretty crazy for a Melo. Hopefully he gets picked up by a team. Let me know in the comment section what team you think he'll get picked up by down below. This one looks like a really good pair. Don't look like it was worn either. So you get yourself a dead stock pair. But let me know what you guys think about these, honestly. Cop pass, fire, or trash. Where's the radar? These are cool, not too bad. I seen those at a Goodwill one recently. Okay, we had somebody asking about these. Now they have them back on deck, $200 retail. This is a size 10.5 though. I don't remember what size he wanted. But they do have the 4 Horsemen on deck here at the outlets once again. Whoa, almost dropped the heat. Party fails, you feel me? Cop pass, fire, trash on the 4 Horsemen. Really nice detailing on the shoe. Pretty dope shoe for the LeBron 16 collection. What do you guys think about these 16s? What's the best colorway of the 16 I have released so far? And what do you guys think about the 17s if you've seen my video on it, you dig? As we're looking for some more heat, let me see what's going on right here. We got these Jordan Pro Troll Max 270s at the outlets already. We definitely, pretty much, I thought these would be at the outlets, the 200. These ones look like a DX stock pair, maybe worn one time, maybe. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Size 10.5 looks really large though. Looks like almost like a 13, looks like my size. 270s on deck. This colorway of the React, like I said before, we've seen it. This one is fire, bro. What do you guys think about these in the comment section below? Let me get a good picture of these. I like this colorway, bro. Cop pass, fire, trash. The upper is nice. Reacts are always comfortable. If you guys own a pair of them, let me know what you think. Air Max 97 LX. Not really a big fan of them, but they are eye-catching, but I'm just not really a big fan of them. Retail, or actually 109 with 30% off. Next to it, you got these. Let me know who's feeling these the LeBron Lakers, the Minneapolis Laker joints. Cop pass, fire, trash. Not surprised to see these at the outlets with so many shoes coming out. But this is a dope colorway, man. Something different for the LeBrons, especially for it to be a GR shoe. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think about this in the comment section below, you dig? Cop pass, whoa. Cop pass, fire, or trash. You see how I caught that heat? See how I caught that heat? You know what I'm saying? So since it is Mama Day, you gotta show some respect. But you see that they're here at the outlets, the Kobe Pro Tros. These are the ones he dropped 81 in. Cop pass, fire, or trash on them. Let me know what you think. Oh, boom. And then you got these Pro Tros here too. What do you guys think about these Kobe 4s? Cop pass, fire, or trash? Let me get a closer up look because I like this colorway right here. This is like my favorite colorway of the Kobe 4 Pro Tros. Let me know what you guys think about these. Mama Day all day. Seen a group of people when I got here. Maybe that was something for Kobe. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about these though in the comment section. If you own a pair, let me know which one you own. I see some more heat right there, bro. Okay, it's getting warmed up, y'all. It's getting warmed up in here, y'all. We got, of course, Dad shoes. That colorway's not too bad of them. What are these? Some Reacts. But these, we gotta take these out and pull them over here and just take a quicker look at these real quick. Because these ones are on deck. Seen it before plenty of times. In pictures, first time seeing it in hand. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these, bro. The color combination is fire. These have definitely been worn a few times. Still in good shape though. It should definitely be cheaper. I think they have these for retail.
There's some right here.
That's crazy. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. These are dope though. Let me know what you think about these. I like this colorway right here. I like this colorway. Zoom, fly at $99. Is that the original retail? The original retail is $160, so they got on here for $99 with 30% off. This colorway is not bad, bro. Might be a headache trying to keep clean, but these are definitely on point. Cop pass, fire, or trash. Some more heat. Got some more Kyrie lows in triple black colorway. We're still on the back wall. We're still on the back wall. Haven't even went over to the other shelves yet, so we're doing pretty good today. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. 33's on deck. Vapor Max 2019's on deck. These legacies, you know, of the rookies. What are these? These are the legacies, right, for 109, but they're like those Jordan 1 rookies that came out, whatever they were called. I forget the name of them. Okay. I'm not mad at these. 150 Nike Epic React Flynet 2. This colorway is on point. I'm not mad at this at all. Hopefully I'm not getting you guys dizzy with all this movement, but you guys see what I'm doing with one hand. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. 30% off. Bow boom. Sassoon. I think we saw these last time we were here too, or maybe at one of the other stores. I think we've seen this at a store actually, and now they have them at the outlet, but this is a size 14. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. These are pretty dope. Look pretty big though, but the technology, the React stuff is pretty dope. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. I'd love to know the opinion, man. So as you can see, we've been finding some good things. Let me know what you guys like in the comment section. We're still gonna look around some more before they try to kick me out. I'm about to really get in my bag with the stuff. Go check out the kids stuff, the girl stuff, and some of this apparel. Comment down below, you dig? So these are $119 with additional 30% off. They got a full size run of them, as you can see. Anybody have an interest in them, let me know in the comment section below. Then you got these, bro. The leather, it says Air Force Max CB leather. Charles Barkley leather. This looks like perfect for FIBA right now, FIBA, or however you want to say it, FIBA. Pretty fire, bro. Cop pass, fire, or trash. They got a good size run of these too. I do not see a size 13 down here though, unfortunately. Pretty crazy, bro. Pretty crazy. I know we got some SB lovers out there. Cop pass, fire, or trash on these. Not too bad. Zoom, Janoski, Slip, RM. Let me know what you guys think about these. I know I probably said that wrong. Cop pass, fire, or trash for the SBs though. These ones are pretty dope too, man. Not dope, not bad at all. Don't know how long we'll be over here, but I definitely want to check out some shoes for the female viewers who check out the channel. Of course, I appreciate your support, just like everyone else who watches. We are all sneakerheads alike. These ones are pretty crazy. They caught my eye off the bat. Air Max 97 Heaven Clout. Wow, 200 retail, 30% off. These are freaking fucking ridiculous, bro. Ladies, gentlemen, kids, babies, everybody, anybody watching, I need to know your thoughts and opinions on these. These to me are ridiculous, bro. What the hell is going on with these? I've never seen these before in my life. Got like an Air Max. It is an Air Max 97 vibe. It is an Air Max 97. These are retarded, bro. What's going on here? Who's feeling these? Who thinks these are trash? I need to know. I need to know. Am I tripping or not? Let me put some light on them. I feel like they might have some 3M going on here. Let's go ahead and see what's up with that. And they do got 3M on them, bro. They do have 3M on them, man. These are definitely a cop for ladies. I mean, I would think so. What do you think? Yeah, definitely a cop for the ladies. Let me know who thinks the same thing. If you think they're trash, also let me know too. Maybe I'm bugging. I don't think so. To me, them things is pretty fire. What else they got here for the ladies? Some more Element React 55s. Great colorway of some 270s. Okay, we see another Presto React for the ladies this time. This colorway is not too bad either. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. For the females watching this, gentlemen too, you know what I'm saying? We all want everybody's feedback. You know? Nothing too crazy. I like this shoe. I'm telling you, this model right here, the Air Max Command, $54. This colorway is not bad. Not bad. Cop, pass, fire, or trash on these also. Ladies, let me know. Cap and gowns on deck. For kid sizes. They got a full-size run. Full-size run of the cap and gowns. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? And GS sizes only, though. Also, it's crazy. A lot of mixed feelings on these. Not bad shoe, though. Not a bad shoe at all. Let me know what you guys think. Too bad these are only GS sizes. You dig? I know my boy Connoisseur love these. These are fire. Huh? Oh. These right here are fire. Air Max 97 BWs. This colorway is sick, bro. 109 with 30% off. My boy would love these. I'm gonna show him a picture of these as soon as I get done with this. These are crazy though. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. They got my size here too, man. This color combination is just pretty sick, man. Wow. Silver, black, white, that navy blue. You got that Air Max bubble. These are sick, bro. I know some people out there are feeling these just like I am. Cop, pass, fire, or trash. SB sweaters. SB sweaters. The SB sweaters are $39 now as opposed to $54. Shop and earn Nike Rewards Access Plus or some shit. That's pretty crazy. Nike SB in the maroon colorway. $39 on those. Is that something that you would like? A lot of good apparel here, as you guys can see. I always show you guys the apparel just to show you guys how to get down. 2 for $25 on these shirts. You know, more than likely a lot of these shirts normally be like $35. Let's see if they have the original tag. Oh, it has $19. You can't see what that says behind it, but it's probably like $35. So to get 2 for $25 is super killing. As you guys can see on the back wall, that's what all the shirts are that are here, folded here and over there. Pretty dope, bro. So that's gonna wrap it up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. We've seen everything for men, women, and children, apparel and shoes alike. Let me know what you guys think about this stuff in the comment section below. What was your favorite shoe in this sneaker store or this outlet? There should be maybe 2 parts to this. I'm not too sure. Let me know what you guys think, man. Hopefully you watch all the way to the end. Shout out to each and every one of you guys. Without further ado, let's get out of here. You dig? Peace.